Yeah. Um, to go off a actual example that we've had, there we've got a project. I won't name the guilty, but we had a project where it's the first and only concrete pour that we've canceled because of side data, and it was because we were actually side told us we were about 18 inches off in all of our sleeves. Everything was the exact amount off. And what it came down to is that the engineer that transferred the point from the ground up to the slab used the wrong point and got us off 18 inches. There was like an offset point or something. And so they transferred the point up there, and then everyone did their layout off of it. So they were all going out there and checking it, with tape measures, and everything's good with tape measure until you figure out that you've used the wrong point to start off your tape measure stuff. So everyone can have this huge group think of, hey, we're all right. But then, an outside party comes in with a totally different perspective, and it's like, no, you're not. That would have caused, we probably would have poured it, and there's no way to go back and core everything again. So we would have had one apartment unit shrink and one apartment unit grow, and we would have had to figure out, all the time how that's going to happen, and try to figure out mitigate those risks over time. But yes, there's things like that. Like, rather than having days of trying to figure that out, we stopped and didn't pour concrete one day, right? I Much better decision to stop and wait, have everybody move over, pour. I think we poured 24 hours later. Not a huge schedule deal, but it's actually helped us on our schedule down the line.